There are always certain roles where people could work a bit more flexibly and wherever they want. We started to see coffee shops being full of people with laptops open, hotel lobbies and airport departure lounges. Also, again, people just getting work done prior to and from their flights and their meetings. In March 2020, remote working accelerated for all roles across the world with the effects of COVID. The new normal didn't become coffee shops, but actually became empty offices and people working from home wherever possible. This has been a massive change for both the employees and the companies. The investment in cloud and SaaS technologies over the years have enabled this transition to happen reasonably smoothly. However, even before this, a report from ESG highlighted that 42% of enterprises said they suffered consistently poor experience with critical SaaS applications across at least half of the distributed or international workforce. SaaS performance issues are especially common where distance causes latency, which is much more varied in this current time. Alongside this, rather than dealing with sharing connectivity with other people in the coffee shop and airport, now people are sharing it with their household and their smart devices. A recent survey highlighted on average, a home will have 50 connected devices. Just think, every time someone rings your doorbell, that's HD video being uploaded to the cloud, Netflix streaming, Xbox updates. So you have to ask, can your users be more productive? We are helping companies provide users with consistent performance with remote worker productivity optimized. The demo you're about to see shows the difference in downloading and uploading a 167 megabyte PowerPoint file from OneDrive. This is in the UK with the Microsoft Teneo in Dublin. The foreground screen shows the optimized session and the background shows the unoptimized. As you can see, the remote worker productivity optimized is finished. The unoptimized is still going, and even with a 34 meg download speed, we've been able to gain an 82% improvement, reducing a download from 60 seconds down to 9 seconds. And we won't make you sit and watch the rest of the minute, but often what we need to think about now is that people forget that broadband connectivity is great on the download, but restricted on the upload, which means when users are collaborating, this can be very challenging. This demo shows the difference in uploading a 167 megabyte PowerPoint file to OneDrive. The remote user is still in the UK with the Microsoft Teneo in Dublin. The foreground shows the remote worker productivity optimized session and the background shows the unoptimized. As you can see from the top left of both screens, the upload bar is progressing. As we saw in the first demo, the remote worker productivity optimized solution provides consistent performance for this user, with 82% improvement, saving nearly 2 minutes of time. This demo has shown the real-life performance for Office 365, and as such, with users continue to work in this way, how are you closing your productivity gap? What if you could have a window into any IT challenges your remote workers are having, with the ability to proactively reduce these issues before they arrive and react immediately to any that do? Companies that are looking to leverage remote worker productivity as their biggest competitive advantage are doing just that. How would you react if you said to your CEO you could harness an improvement in productivity and help make the company more profitable? Organizations are turning to a fast and flexible model of on-demand services to give them the scalability they need to provide continuous IT services for remote workers. They're using those services to gain the performance acceleration, visibility of user experience, and security levels they need for remote workers to remain productive. Such a model can quickly pay for itself by allowing your remote workforce to get their jobs done more efficiently, collaborate with co-workers, and provide customers with the support and attention they need when it matters most. How would that be for you, your team, and your organization? Only Teneo can provide you with a service that offers an instant, scalable, flexible, and cost-effective way to continuously deliver IT services to your remote workers in the long term. Our remote worker productivity service allows you to leverage remote working as the biggest opportunity your organization has to gain competitive advantage.